Upgrade your kitchen with the power of precision and speed. The best induction cooktops combine sleek design, energy efficiency, and smart technology to transform how you cook. From lightning-fast heating to advanced safety features and intuitive controls, these cooktops deliver professional results at home. Discover the top 5 induction cooktops that bring style, performance, and convenience to every meal. Number 1. Nuwave Double Cooktop Induction Countertop. The Nuwave Double Cooktop Induction Countertop redefines modern cooking with its speed, precision, and safety. Featuring fast and efficient induction technology, it heats only your cookware, keeping the surrounding area cool while saving both time and energy. With a precise temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit and 6 preset options, it offers ultimate control for everything from searing steaks to melting chocolate. The independent dual controls let you cook 2 different dishes at once, perfect for multitasking in busy kitchens. Safety is a priority, thanks to the auto shutoff and safety lock feature, ensuring peace of mind. The intuitive touch interface with 50 presets, 150 custom settings, and a 99-hour timer provides an easy, personalized cooking experience. Designed with durable shatterproof ceramic glass and a 25 pounds weight capacity per burner, it's built to handle heavy cookware safely. Lightweight, portable, and versatile, it's great for home kitchens, RVs, or outdoor gatherings. With multi-stage cooking for complex recipes, the Nuwave Double Cooktop delivers professional-level performance and precision anywhere you cook. Number 2. AmzChef Double Induction Cooktop. The AmzChef Double Induction Cooktop combines style, performance, and safety in one sleek design. Its black polished crystal glass surface with silver trim adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the slim, portable body makes it easy to store and move. With touch control technology, adjusting settings is effortless, just a simple tap of your finger. The cooktop features 2 independent heating zones, allowing you to prepare 2 dishes at once, saving time and enhancing convenience during family meals or parties. Choose between power mode and temperature mode, offering 20 adjustable levels each, from gentle warming at 140 degrees Fahrenheit to powerful 1800 W stir-frying. The built-in digital timer, 1 minute, 3 hours, ensures precise cooking, while the safety lock, high temperature indicator, and automatic shutoff provide peace of mind. Compatible with cast iron, stainless steel, and magnetic cookware, it's a versatile tool for everyday use. Whether you're boiling, sautéing, or simmering, the AmzChef delivers consistent heat and professional results. Backed by a 1-year warranty plus an extra 6 months, this dual induction cooktop is a reliable, stylish, and energy-efficient addition to any modern kitchen. Number 3. ChangBERT Portable Induction Cooktop. The ChangBERT Portable Induction Cooktop delivers professional-grade performance in a compact, durable design. With 9 power levels, 200-1800 W, and 18 temperature settings, 120 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers 83% energy efficiency, heating faster and cooking more evenly than traditional stoves. Engineered for reliability, its continuous duty circuitry ensures stable high-power output for consistent performance during extended use, ideal for busy kitchens. The expanded magnetic coil design enhances heat transfer and even distribution, while the smooth glass surface provides quick, uniform heating. Built to commercial-grade NSF and UL standards, it withstands heavy-duty use and even passes impact tests for durability. The stainless steel housing supports up to 100 pounds, resisting heat and humidity for long-lasting strength. Featuring a tactile control panel with a clear display, it's easy to operate even with gloves or wet hands. Convenient presets for boil and keep warm simplify cooking, and a 12-hour timer allows for precise long-time cooking. With multiple safety protections, including auto-pan detection, overheat protection, and auto shutoff, the ChangBERT ensures safe, worry-free operation. Perfect for homes, restaurants, or outdoor cooking, it's a powerful, portable, and dependable cooktop built to perform anywhere. Number 4. Empava Dual Induction Cooktop Burner. The Empava Dual Induction Cooktop Burner brings power, precision, and safety together in a sleek, modern design. Engineered for ultimate cooking flexibility, it offers precise temperature control from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for everything from simmering soups to melting chocolate or keeping meals warm. With 18 adjustable temperature levels, each zone delivers efficient and consistent heating, ensuring gourmet quality results every time. The intuitive touch controls make operation effortless, featuring a pause function, cooking timer, and dedicated modes for melt, simmer, and keep warm. Cleaning is simple, thanks to the smooth glass surface that wipes clean after use. Designed with safety in mind, the child lock system prevents accidental activation, while the auto shut-off feature ensures extra protection during cooking. Whether built into your countertop or used as a portable unit, the Empava offers seamless installation options to fit any kitchen setup. Combining style, smart functionality, and energy efficiency, this dual induction burner is a perfect solution for modern households seeking faster, safer, and more precise cooking. Ideal for daily use, small spaces, or as an additional cooking station for entertaining guests. Number 5. Bigoods 30-inch Induction Cooktop. The Bigoods 30-inch Induction Cooktop delivers a powerful blend of precision, safety, and convenience for modern kitchens. With 3 simplified cooking modes, melt, keep warm, and simmer, it ensures perfect temperature control without constant monitoring, making it ideal for sauces, soups, and delicate dishes. Its adaptive cooking zones with bridge functionality provide unmatched flexibility, allowing you to combine zones for larger cookware or use them independently for multitasking. Dual inductors ensure even heat distribution, while automatic zone deactivation boosts both safety and energy efficiency. Designed with enhanced safety protocols, it features residual heat warnings, auto shutdown, overheat protection, and a child lock, giving you complete peace of mind during every meal. The booster function rapidly increases power for quick boiling or high heat cooking, perfect for busy households that value speed without compromising quality. Meanwhile, intelligent pan detection ensures only compatible cookware is heated, maximizing energy efficiency and preventing accidents. Stylish, responsive, and highly efficient, the Bigoods 30-inch Induction Cooktop transforms everyday cooking into a professional, safe, and effortless experience, ideal for home chefs who crave control and precision.